Now we're going to talk about clutch size, the diameter of the clutch. So here we have 240 millimeters. This is very common on the aftermarket, in the performance aftermarket, so to speak. So we had the 240, we have also 228. The flywheel and the pressure plate are determining the size of the clutch disc. So 240 millimeter pressure plate or flywheel will have a 240 millimeter clutch disc to it. So 228 clutch disc, 240 clutch disc, you have like 270 or 265 in some cases, but these are the most common ones. These are single disc application, even if you have some cases when you use 240 millimeter multi-disc setup. So if we're going to the multi-disc setup, you would have 187, you would have 200 millimeter disc. So these are multi-disc, so even if they are smaller and as a single disc would handle a lot more less torque than the bigger 240 millimeter disc, as for an instance, these smaller discs together will add up more surface than a 240 millimeter disc or a bigger disc, so they can hold much more power. But you have other things to consider using a multi-disc setup. So this is most often called a racing clutch for that case. So we have 187, we have 200 millimeter as multi-disc setups, we have single disc setups with 228, 240, and there are also bigger options, but these are the most common ones available on the market.